This is our Bosch measuring tool family. The first tools you'll need when starting your project. At first glance, nothing has changed, except there's one major difference. Every tool is a little greener. No, not just in color. We put a great deal of work into making every single tool more sustainable along the entire supply chain. The product housing of our Quigo Green is now mostly made of recycled plastic. And even its friend, the tripod, can show off. So much more sustainable, just like the rest of them. We then went on another mission to make not just our tools more sustainable, but their packaging too. Wherever possible, we use recycled cardboard and paper and have gotten rid of unnecessary plastic bags and wrappings. That means less waste for our planet. Zamo here sets the best example. Its packaging makes it a real green champ. And because all around the world people love our tools, we wanted to make our transportation more sustainable too. By optimizing our packaging, we are able to save resources, make transport more efficient, and therefore improve our supply chain. Take Truvo, for example. It got a new box, which means that we can stack many more of them on one pallet. Hey, little fella, we know you love your newly tailored box a lot, but get out there and join the others. Bosch measuring tools. As simple as always, more sustainable than ever.